In this video, we're going to show you how to go to full screen mode when annotating assignments or marking assignments. You might notice that if you try to go to full screen when you're annotating your assignments or trying to mark them, it just doesn't work. And if it doesn't work, this is how you fix it. All right, so let's just go into an assignment. And then you'll get this screen here where you're going to annotate it, where you're able to draw on it or leave sticky notes or highlight or whatever you need to do, right here. So I know a lot of times it's very useful to be able to make this a full screen, so it's easier to mark. You see more of the student's work at the same time. It's just easier for you to do. So the problem is if you click on it here, it might not work. Now this has to do with a new look for the annotating or the marking and assignment feature here. So it does not work. So the way to get it to work is we switch back to the old view. And in order to do that, you go way up to the top of the right of your screen, and you see this little arrow here kind of peeking down below your URL bar to the right. So and notice it says, welcome to our new evaluation experience. We want to turn that off. So if we pull that down and go turn it off, it's going to ask you for a reason. I mean, you can pick one if you want, but we're just going to just hit done. And I'll click leave because I'm not going to save any changes. And so it's going to reload the assignments. And this assignment in particular. So this goes back to the old view. So now if we click on this file, it's going to show us the file. It's going to show us the submission. Again, we're able to mark it here if we wanted to. But now if we go to full screen mode, it works. All right. So again, in order to be able to enter full screen mode, we need to leave the new view or the new evaluation experience by clicking on this little arrow, down on this little arrow, and turning it off. So you could turn it back on if you wanted to go back if you like the other experience, but if you want to have that feature being able to go full screen, we're just going to leave it off. All right. Hope this helps and happy marking.